Eggs are one of the most complete proteins we have, but many people don't realize that how you prepare them can change how your body uses their nutrients. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, which support muscle strength, memory, and long-lasting energy. The yolk is especially powerful, rich in vitamins like A, D, B12, and choline, which supports brain and liver function. Cooking eggs gently, like soft boiling or low-heat scrambling, helps preserve more of these nutrients, while overcooking can reduce some of their benefits. But here's something most people have never tried: chocolate pudding made with hard-boiled eggs. It sounds unusual, but when blended with cocoa, a natural sweetener like dates or honey, and a splash of milk, the result is smooth, rich, and has no egg taste at all. It's a simple way to turn a powerful protein into something enjoyable, even for people who don't like eggs. Protein helps you stay full longer, supports muscle as you age, and keeps your body strong and steady. Sometimes the most powerful foods are the ones we just need to learn how to use differently. If this message speaks to you, subscribe for more simple, real-life ways to improve your health without confusion or extremes. I'm sharing what I've learned step by step so you can take control of your health in a way that actually works. Subscribe to my channel and help me get this message to others. Thanks.